Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to troubleshoot issues with the Facebook app on Android in 2023. In this video, we will provide step-by-step guidance on fixing common problems preventing the Facebook app from working properly on your Android device. To begin, check your internet connection and ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. An unstable network can cause apps to malfunction. If your internet is working correctly and the Facebook app is still not responding, try force closing the app. Go to your Android's app switcher by pressing and holding the Recent Apps button. Swipe up on the Facebook app thumbnail to force close it. If force closing does not resolve the issue, clear the Facebook app's cache and data. Go to your device's settings, select Apps and Notifications. Find Facebook and tap to open its details. Tap Storage and Cache and select Clear Cache and Clear Data. As another troubleshooting step, uninstall and reinstall the Facebook app. Go to Settings, Apps, and Notifications. Find Facebook and tap to open its info page. Select Uninstall to remove the app, and then open the Google Play Store and search for Facebook to install the latest version. Check for and install any available updates for the Facebook app. Open the Play Store, search for Facebook and tap to view its details page. Install any updates listed to ensure you have the latest version installed. Updating the app, clearing its data, and reinstalling should resolve most issues preventing the Facebook app from functioning properly on your Android device. Unstable internet, app force closes, cache builds up over time, and out-of-date software can all cause the app to malfunction. In summary, we have provided a thorough troubleshooting process with step-by-step guidance on fixing common Facebook app issues on Android. By following this approach, checking your network, force closing, clearing data, reinstalling and updating the app, you can get Facebook working well on your Android phone or tablet again. Please feel free to ask any additional questions you may have regarding the Facebook app, app issues, or other Android features. We are here to provide helpful support on using apps, customizing settings, and enhancing your digital experience. Remember to subscribe for useful tips and recommendations on your technology. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Have a wonderful day.